Some people have asked which pre-spray that I've been using with my VLM carpet cleaning. So I wanted to do a little video and show everyone what I've been using, and if you've seen any of the videos, you can see how well it works. I've also mentioned in some other videos that I'm not really a fan of encapping carpets. If you encap carpets and you're happy with that, you know, that's great. For me, it's not something that I'm interested in. I would rather clean the carpets and remove as much soil as possible and not leave extra soil or polymers in the customer's carpets. Particularly somewhere like a daycare or a home with pets or children, it just doesn't seem like a good idea to leave that stuff in the carpet when you could just as well clean the carpet and remove the soil. So with that said, this is the product that I've been using. It's called Purely Green 25. Now it comes from a company called First Enviro Safety. They're out of Florida, and I'm not affiliated with this company in any way. Just my research pretty much led me to this product. Now I think there's a pretty good chance that this company privately labels cleaners for other companies. I don't have any proof of that, so you know, I'm not going to say that they definitely do, but I'm pretty sure that they do. But nonetheless, this product has functioned great. If you want to see how it works, go back and check out some of my low moisture cleaning videos with the Challenger. And you know, bad spots, stains, etc., they come out really well. And I've had to do very little spotting with this product. Now, one of the side benefits of this product is it's not just for VLM. I've used it with hot water extraction also, and it's worked really well. The two reasons that I've switched to using this product for all VLM and some hot water extraction are safety and effectiveness. This works just as well as the pre-sprays that I've used that are just chock full of butyls and all these other chemicals that I really got tired of breathing in job after job. This product is plant-based, and I'll show you the label in just a minute, but it's a plant-based cleaner. It doesn't have any butyls or anything like that in it, and it works really well. One of the things that I wanted to make sure that this product did not do was cause any type of rapid resoiling. So my whole testing of this product has been going on for it's quite a few months. I originally started using this product last year for VLM, but I wasn't doing very much VLM at the time. So I took accounts that I do on a regular basis, and I used this product with both hot water extraction and VLM. And from what I've found, there's absolutely no resoiling. And I've also tested it at my own home. I've tested it in a dish, checking for residue after it dried, and I'm really finding no issues. I have a couple customers that use me every couple months. One is a lady who has an in-home daycare. So you know, that situation right there can be terrible on carpet. And just as a side note, the carpet in that house is probably 30 to 35 years old, and it's an old sculpted nylon, and you know, they don't make carpets like that anymore, and it's held up well. But I did convince her to let me use VLM in a couple rooms because I had been steam cleaning that carpet for so long. And even with all the kids spilling things, tracking things in, there was no resoiling after about 2.5 months. Another customer who lives in an apartment is not supposed to have a dog in her apartment, and she calls me about every 2 months to clean her carpet, and sometimes even sooner if there's going to be a planned inspection, so that there's no odor issues or anything to get her in trouble. And that was another place where it was a really good testing ground for this cleaner, and there's been no resoiling. I used it on a rug at my house probably, I don't remember, but it's been probably almost 6 months, and no resoiling issues there. So once I was able to know that there was no resoiling, especially with the VLM, I wanted to go ahead and put the video out to let everybody know what I was using. I'll show you right here what the label says. I know it's going to be kind of hard to read because it's curved and this isn't the most legible printing on here. If Formulator certified as carcinogen free. Contains no triclosan, ethylene oxide, or something dioxane. I don't know what that is. Readily biodegradable. No special disposal required. Hazard free. Requires no gloves, goggles, masks, or special protective clothing. Emits no toxic fumes. And if you've ever seen a carpet cleaner pre-spray a room and you can see how much of the product is atomized into the air, you know, if you're pre-spraying, you're breathing that in. And that was one of my big concerns after breathing in these much more heavy-duty chemicals all these years. And that's a big reason why I wanted something safer. Ingredients. Contains processed extracts of grains, plants, trees, various vegetables, and plant-based surfactants. You can read up more about this cleaner on their website, which is purelygreenclean.com, if you're interested in a safer, effective alternative. I've tried other green pre-spray cleaners over the years, but I never found them as effective as standard pre-sprays. Now, one of the great things about this cleaner is it's very economical to use. I buy it by the case, 4 gallons of super concentrate, and it costs about $207 with shipping to be delivered. Now, if you break that down per gallon, it's $51.75. Now, that's a little on the high side, but what you have to realize is you can take this 1 gallon of super concentrate and get 3 gallons of concentrate out of it. And then you're only using 4 to 6 ounces per gallon. So when you break all that down, you're looking at about 54 cents per gallon ready to use, which there's not very many pre-sprays that are that economical, that are this effective and this safe. So I've experimented with the dilution rate to get it just right for my needs. And what I found is for both VLM and hot water extraction is that using 40 ounces of the super concentrate, put into a gallon container, fill the rest with water, gives you your concentrate to use at 4 to 6 ounces per gallon. Really, 4 ounces is what I use on almost every job unless it's really, really bad. And when you get done, you're going to have about 8 ounces left. And I take the additional 8 ounces to fill trigger sprayers with as spotters. And the dilution rate for that is approximately 1 to 1.5 ounces of the super concentrate that's left over, and it makes an amazing spotter for VLM or for hot water extraction. So really, just to sum things up, this pre-spray has been phenomenal for both VLM, hot water extraction. It works great as a spotter, it's very economical, it's safe, and you know, that's everything that I wanted in a pre-spray. So I hope I answered the questions that you might have if you're looking for a new pre-spray. If you're looking for something that's safe for both you and your customers, and it's economical, and it's very effective for both hot water extraction, VLM, and spotting. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.